Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand new BTC. Is that was a peg breakdown or not, my brother? I was told you in this video, which is very important because my brother BTC has started crashing from 71 72,000, and you can see here right now is our target was my brother's 50,000. As I told you, my brother, in my last video, I listened something about fundamental analysis. From the base of fundamental analysis, I will tell you to possibilities to it will come down to 55 50,000. But my brother, the technical analysis right now is what clearly said us here. As you can see here, it was crashed down. Okay, on Telegram group I also post 3 4 signals about BTC, my brother. Okay, if you are not on Telegram, link is in the description. Must join Telegram, so you will be get daily 10 to 15 signal. Okay, BTC fake breakdown, you can see you're looking at if it will off and break this again. I strongly recommend you to take a long position again. 71,000 is again, my brother, available possibilities to hit now. But if this was retest and again return, then this is confirm, my brothers, to take a short position. I will give you a call on Telegram to take a short position, and my brother, our target will be very crazy. Okay, so wait for my call on Telegram. I hope you will be print money like machine. See you next time, guys.